Welcome to IP Service, learn IT tips and troubleshooting. Today I am showing how to remove PDF password easily. In this video I will show you how to remove password from your PDF file using a quick and easy step. First of all, click and going to Google and type unlock PDF. Just click and we are going to I love PDF website. Just click select PDF file and select PDF file. Just click unlock PDF. Now we start working. Yes, yeah. Now we can type your PDF file password to free and send. Now you can download unlock PDFs. This website link I will give in description. Now you can see your PDF file is totally free, password free. Now you can send another person and easily work for everything. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe IP Service. Thank you.